to use a caddy liner, which is perfectly fine. So you can just pop some cardboard or newspaper or your mushroom bag, something like that in the bottom, and it just helps stop all your sort of mucky, icky veggies sticking to the bottom. It absorbs that water so that when you tip that into your green waste bin, you can give it a good hard bang, tap, 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 and hopefully that will come out with all your food waste and you won't have much cleaning to do. A quick rinse, back in the kitchen and use it again. If it's really icky though, that's fine, just chuck it in the dishwasher and it's all done. So really easy. So once the cardboard's in the bottom, and you don't have to use cardboard, I use mine nude. That sounds a bit rude, but I use mine just nude. Just start chucking in the food waste.